How to upload shots from YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually upload shots from your YouTube mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to upload shots from your YouTube mobile app, it's very simple. Make sure that the YouTube app is updated and then go ahead and then launch it. Once you launch the YouTube app, you can tap the plus icon from the bottom to create a shot if you want to create one right away using your phone's camera, right? So that is also a possible option, that if you want to create one, or if you want to upload a video that is already there, you can just go ahead and then tap on the upload a video option here, tap on allow access and tap the allow option to upload a certain video or a certain shot that you would like to add over here. And this way you should be able to basically create a shot on YouTube. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.